Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Etoro is a social trading and multi-asset brokerage platform that allows users to invest in various financial assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more. One of its standout features is the social aspect, enabling users to follow and copy the trades of successful investors through its copy trading feature, allowing less experienced traders to mimic the strategies of seasoned professionals. Educate yourself before diving in. Learn about the platform, different investment options, and trading strategies. Etoro provides various educational resources like webinars, courses, and a demo account to practice research and analysis. Understand the assets you're interested in. Conduct thorough research, analyze market trends, and use tools available on Etoro to make informed decisions. Start with a demo account. Practice using a demo account with virtual funds. This helps you get familiar with the platform, test strategies, and understand how the market behaves without risking real money. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Etoro offers various markets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more. Utilize copy trading. Consider using Etoro's copy trading feature to follow and replicate the trades of successful investors. Choose traders with a proven track record and a strategy aligned with your goals. Set realistic goals and risk management. Establish clear financial goals and a risk management strategy. Determine how much you're willing to invest. Set stop-loss orders. And don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Keep updated. Stay informed about market news, economic events, and changes in the assets you're investing in. These factors can significantly impact the market. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your portfolio, track performance, and adjust your strategy if needed. Market conditions change, and it's essential to adapt accordingly. Learn from mistakes. Losses might happen. It's part of trading. Use them as learning experiences to refine your strategy and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Be patient and persistent. Investing and trading take time. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations. Patience and persistence often pay off in the long run.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.